So this is Sheila Finkelstein of Treasure Your Life Now. I'm doing a quick demo on my how to record, how to show live transcript, get a live transcript when using Zoom. So what you see is me. I've come in on my iPad as a participant, so I can see if the participant will get the transcript, even if I forget to record. Now, in order to, by the way, you see this little screen while I'm moving it up out of the way, and I think you, the participant, can do the same thing so it's not getting in the way. But you know what? I forgot to share screen. Okay. I'm sharing now so you see what I'm doing. You'll see up top, there's typing. That's now transcribing. It's been typing all along. I'm recording to the cloud because the only place that I can get this live transcription is on the cloud. So what I'm going to show you now simply is the settings you need to be doing to set this up. Go to your Zoom account. When you go into the account, open up settings on the side. I think you might even do advanced. No, that's not going to do it. Okay. So go to settings on the side, and up at the top, where I'm just going to put find, and I'm going to look for transcribe. Okay, so transcription. And it went down to closed captioning setting. You'll see it's under, there's a lot of stuff you can do, do search, find, or just keep going down until you find you want the closed captioning setting. You want to enable that setting. And 3 things should be there. Allow the use of token. I don't know, they said this is what needs to be done. Allow live transcription to just transcribe meeting automatically. It won't do automatic unless you click something. I'll show you that. And it also, if somebody wants to have the full transcript in the meeting on the side panel, they can do that. I'm also enabling allow participants to save fully closed captions or transcripts. So it's simple as all that. Now, when I first was told I can do live transcription on Zoom, it wasn't working for me. And what I discovered is I contacted Zoom support. I have a pro account, and it turns out I did not have this allow live transcription service, was not part of the 3 choices here. I'm assuming that's what it was, because when they told me I could now do live transcripting, I'd opened it up and found this in my settings. So simply make sure you have these 3 items there and checked, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to go back to Zoom now. Notice I'm doing this. I do not do Zoom full screen so that these icons can show up. Sometimes you'll hear somebody, they lost you. They can hear you, but they can't see you. Well, somehow they got out of it. Just tell them to go back to the Zoom icon, and it brings you back into the meeting. Okay, the controls now are down here. You have CC. Okay, this was, I had to enable it in order to start typing. For it to start transcribing. And then it was as simple as all that. And now it's transcribing. The person on the other end, if they don't want to see all the typing, and let me see this, on the phone or on the iPad, these controls are found on more. So I'm going to, well, I'm not going to chat on the computer where you see this CC. If even I think I'm recording, you don't want to see the typing, you can simply, I'm not going to do it here, but if you're the viewer, you can do that when you're viewing. If you tap on that, it will still be typing in the background, but you don't have to be annoyed with it as it's going on. And as I said, you also can, in this case, On the computer, you can move it out of your way. So that's it. That's how you get live transcription using Zoom on your phone. And being, if you're on the cloud, I mean, if you're on an iPad, you can do it also, because then you record to the cloud. Just make sure you record to the cloud and you'll be set. So thanks for watching. Sheila Finkelstein of treasureyourlifenow.com. If you need further help in Zoom, just email me at sheila@treasureyourlifenow.com. Say you want Zoom help and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and many, many happy days and hours on Zoom. Bye.